Welcome, dear KUNOMAIL users. We are pleased to share some exciting news with you. ChatGPT will soon be available in KUNOMAIL. It won't be long now, and you will soon be able to use ChatGPT's support directly when writing your emails. To give you a first taste, we'll show you today how easy and fast ChatGPT can write your emails. Have you ever spent a lot of time writing emails? Maybe you didn't know how to best express your thoughts. With the new ChatGPT integration in KUNOMAIL, writing emails is now child's play. It's very simple. Click on the ChatGPT button and you can enter a request. For example, write me a polite email thanking my friend for his help. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a well-worded and professional email for you. Don't worry, it will automatically be written in the right language and tone, quickly, politely, and clearly. And the best part, with just one click, you can copy the generated text directly into your email. If the text is not 100% right, you can simply request a new version, also with just one click. This way, you will always find the perfect wording for your message. You can easily customize the text to make it more personal. With KUNOMAIL and ChatGPT, writing emails becomes even easier and more pleasant.